channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Alexis, and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning back for another video. Okay, so as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge. So I'm not gonna do the intro super long. I have the makeup in front of me. It's bags, but it's literally gonna feel like a 10 minutes, not set up, no cheating. The only thing that will probably be considered cheating is maybe like my lashes being on already. Like this is lash extensions. I can't really like take them off, and then lip gloss. And this is the Summer Fridays Pink Sugar. It's a lip butter balm, so that'll be about the only thing that would possibly be considered like, oh, you know, you had that on already. But yeah, so let's get straight into it. I'm gonna set a timer. I'm gonna try to talk through it to tell you how I'm processing this, but hopefully the talking doesn't slow me down. Okay, so setting the timer. Ready, set, go. Okay, for my primer, I'm gonna be using the Power Grip by e.l.f. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. The Power Grip by e.l.f. I'm gonna use a brush to blend it in because I have lotion on my hands and I don't wanna mix it with the primer and it doesn't do it, you know, give its full potential. A way that I'm thinking of doing this super fast is to not do your normal routine. So like if you're a person that starts with your brows first, you want to do that last or not do them at all, you know, because when you do your brows first, I am a brows first type of girl, but I've been trying different like techniques because, you know, I'm a makeup artist and stuff and I love to do makeup. So I like to try different things, learn different skills, you know, it makes makeup more fun. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. I wish I had a fan to dry this down faster. So this would probably be like, oh, maybe I can like do my brows to kind of speed up or get something done in the process. But she's pretty sticky, she's pretty tacky. I'm gonna dig in here. I'm gonna get my NARS. This is in Vellum. I'm gonna do, I think another trick is to not use, is not to use, oh my gosh, a lot of product. So, how many pumps did I do? Y'all can see it, y'all can count. Get to blending. I do like my foundation shade like a shade or two deeper. I feel like on cam you can't even tell, but in person you could tell. I have more of a golden undertone and this one is more like a deep, like almost reddish undertone. I feel like a beauty blender, I keep saying I feel like, I think a beauty blender would help speed up the process faster as far as like blending, because you don't have to use a bunch of different brushes and look for a bunch of different brushes for y'all. So I gotta use what I got. And I'm using a clean brush. And I'm also gonna do, just in case I don't get to put any eyeshadow here, got 7 minutes, I'm gonna do this on top of the lid. I'm gonna actually cover my brow. And you wanna get a foundation that dries down fast too. Now for my concealer, use a high coverage concealer. Don't use something that's gonna play. We can't play right now. Y'all, if I could find everything. Ooh, this is my favorite. So for my concealer, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape in Ultra Creamy. It's gonna be 37G, and then for my my contour, it's gonna be the 24-hour MAC Studio Fix, and that is gonna be in the shade. Ooh, I can't stop. NW50. I should have told y'all I'll put everything in the description box so it wouldn't slow me down. So if I come back for my little 30 seconds, mind your business. Anyway, let's go. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let that dry down by blending in my contour. Again, get things that are high coverage so that you can keep moving, right? Use this. I'm using the e.l.f. blending brush, an angled one. I'm just gonna. That was nasty. I'm trying not to have to edit this because if I cut it, I feel like y'all would be like, she cheated, she cheated, she cheated. No, I just be burping. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna blend this out real fast. Like so, like it. No, I'm fine. I'm gonna blend it out real fast. And it actually dries down really good. And now I'm gonna use a brush. This is my favorite brush. It is dirty. Like I said, I'm living through boxes. And this is the Real Techniques. I have 5 minutes on the clock. Oh my God. 5 minutes? How did 5 minutes pass that fast? Okay, I don't want to fail this challenge. I think I can do it. Blend it out. And blend out the edges. I'm gonna let that dry down some more. It's still wet. I think another way to get, like, really beat this challenge is to have a fan. I feel like a fan would have been amazing. Like, girl, like I said, I'm living through boxes, so I don't even have the fan on me. So I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit more, but we're already giving. So now I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place palette. It'll be in the description box, baby. I can't talk. I got 4 minutes. In that forehead. And I think another thing is skipping steps. If you got some good brows, girl, tell them brows bye. You ain't gotta put nothing on there. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and blend this because I have 2 minutes on the clock. And I'm gonna use this, what is this called? One size. And we're gonna chisel our nose. This is the best brush. I'm literally pressing so hard that my arm is getting sore. And it's not like I have somewhere to be where I'm rushing like this. I just want to challenge myself. It's not that fun. And this is the one size powder. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some blush on and brush this. Take some of the bronzer, brush it on top of the lids. Like I said, I didn't get a chance to get to the what's it called? The eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna take some of this blush. Y'all probably think I'm crazy putting blush on. Woo! Go down. What do I need to do? On my nose. So nose contour. I hit pass. I'm just gonna. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna go do what's left. I feel like I have an eyelash on my lid. Yes, I do. Okay. How much longer? 1 minute and 30 seconds. And the lips can be this lip gloss. I ain't got time. I technically do got time, but I like my nose contour at least. It can't be perfect. Okay. Oh shoot. My setting spray. Okay, I like to use a setting spray to break the powders down. 54 seconds, girl. I can't find the one that I use, so I'm just gonna use this Maron Barrier Spray. And then I'm gonna use my one size. I'm gonna use a small one. What's that? Oh, just putting up on me. Okay, if something cuts up on me, I just use my one size. About 20 seconds. Technically, I already set my face, so I'm really done. I guess this is considered like a touch-up. Yeah, a touch-up already. That's why I don't like to do fast makeup, because I shouldn't need a touch-up this early. Ah! Wait, where's the top? That's hilarious. Okay, this is my 10-minute makeup. How I look, y'all. I feel greasy right here. I think for a 10-minute makeup challenge, yeah. I still got it. Okay. Even though my brow's not done, I think I can get jiggy with this. What y'all think? For 10 minutes. Ooh. Okay, thank you for watching this video. That's it for me. I probably won't even add anything else because I like the challenge. I don't like how it looks like something is like choppy right there. That's the only thing. Like with my under eye, I get creasing. I think this is all for me. Let me know if you have tried or will try a 10-minute makeup challenge. Let me know what you think. Let me know some tips on how to get faster with the 10-minute makeup challenge. I'll probably do this again. This was fun. I'll probably even decrease it to like 5-minute or, you know, just a little challenge. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in another one. Go to my channel, subscribe, watch some videos, support your girl. But yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye. Yeah, I ate.